Prosthetic limb technology has come a long way in recent years, with advancements in materials, design, and functionality revolutionizing the way we think about artificial limbs. Gone are the days of clunky, uncomfortable prosthetics that hindered movement and caused discomfort. Today, prosthetic limbs are sleek, lightweight, and incredibly lifelike, allowing amputees to move with ease and confidence. One of the most exciting developments in prosthetic limb technology is the use of advanced materials such as carbon fiber and titanium, which are not only lightweight, but also incredibly strong and durable. This means that prosthetic limbs can now withstand the rigors of everyday life, from walking and running to playing sports and engaging in physical activities. In addition to improved materials, prosthetic limbs are now being designed with a focus on comfort and functionality. Customized sockets and adjustable components ensure a perfect fit for each individual, while advanced sensors and microprocessors allow for precise control and natural movement. Some prosthetic limbs even feature integrated sensors that can detect muscle movements and respond in real time, making them feel like a natural extension of the body. But perhaps the most groundbreaking advancement in prosthetic limb technology is the development of mind-controlled prosthetics. By implanting electrodes directly into the muscles or nerves, amputees can now control their prosthetic limbs with their thoughts, allowing for a level of dexterity and precision that was once thought impossible. This technology has the potential to completely transform the lives of amputees, giving them the freedom to live and move as they please. As we look to the future of prosthetic limb technology, the possibilities are truly endless. With ongoing research and innovation, we can expect to see even more incredible advancements in the years to come, further improving the quality of life for amputees around the world. Revolutionizing prosthetic limb technology is not just about creating better artificial limbs. It's about giving people the opportunity to live their lives to the fullest, without limitations.